Hi students, welcome to the part 3 video for reflection of light. Objective for today is to describe the image formed on a plane mirror. So what do you see in this picture? It's a reflection of light from smooth and highly polished surface. See in the first image, first three images, pictures, the person is able to see themselves in a mirror. In the same case, on the bottom part, you're able to see your image on a clear surface of water. And we have seen this before. Reflection from a smooth surface is called specular reflection. Now, what is a mirror? Simple mirror is actually a plain glass which is silver plated. So there is a plain glass, and on the other side, one side of the glass, it is silver plated, it is coated with silver. Can we make a mirror? Yes, of course. Plain glass provides the smooth surface and the silver coating makes it shiny. Now coming into our main topic, that is plane mirror. A plane mirror is a flat, smooth surface from which light is reflected. So it is a flat and smooth surface, and it is reflecting the light using specular reflection. Now, in order to see the image on the plane mirror, you need to have an object. An object is a source of light rays that are to be reflected by a mirrored surface, such as a bird shown in the figure below. So, an object is anything that is to be reflected by the mirror. So, here you are seeing the image of the bird. So, the bird is the object. So, some light from the bird, from the bird travels and it hits a mirror and it reflects into your eyes. And you see the image of the bird. What are the uses of a plane mirror in daily life? A plane mirror is used as a looking glass, that is a mirror that you use in your daily life in order to see yourself. Then interior designers use to create illusions of depth. Then they fold these plain glasses to form a periscope, which is an optical instrument. Then it is also used to make kaleidoscope, which is an interesting toy. How will you locate the image on the plane mirror? So in order to locate the plane mirror, image on the plane mirror, first you need to have the object. And you have to pick 2 points on the object. It can be 2 or 1. It's okay. Anyway, pick 2 points on the object. Now the light from those 2 points should be drawn using the incident ray. Use the law of reflection to draw the reflected ray. So once the incident ray hits the plane mirror, it reflects back using law of reflection. Extend the reflected ray into the virtual side of the mirror. So what you have to do is, the reflected ray has to be extended to the opposite side of the mirror. Find the intersection of two extended reflected rays. Repeat for the second point, using the two intersection points to draw the virtual image. So we'll see in detail how to apply these steps. So you have an image, the object, which is a candle. The height of the object is given as HO. This is a plane mirror. So I have chosen a point at the top of the object, that point be O. The first step is to draw the incident ray from the object to the mirror. So I am drawing one ray going straight from this particular point and the other ray going in a and making an angle with the plane mirror. So the light ray which is traveling in a straight line will reflect back in the same direction. The light ray which is making an angle will make an angle equivalent to the angle of incidence and it gets reflected. Now the next step is you have to extend the reflected ray. So this is a reflected ray. Extend the reflected ray with dotted line to the other side. This is a reflected ray, extend it to the other side. Where these two extended rays meet, that is the top part of the candle's image. So that you can draw the extended part. Height of the image is hi. The distance from the plane mirror to the point O of the object is xo and the distance from the plane mirror to the image is xi. So this is a ray diagram. This is how you should draw the ray diagram for plane mirrors. Now we'll see what are the characteristics of a plane mirror. You call these characteristics as SALT, which is a short form, whereas stands for size. Going back to the ray diagram, the height of the image and the height of the object remains the same. That means it is of same size. The size will not be changing. Like for example, you're standing in front of a mirror in order to dress up yourself. Do you see yourself with a very larger length? Or do you see yourself fat? No, you see the same height, same width for the image also. So that means there is no magnification. Magnification means the image is not like it is not becoming fat, it's not becoming taller, it's not magnified. Okay, it's of the same size. It means for example here we take the case of height. The height remains the same. Second is A. A stands for attitude. Attitude is how the image is oriented. So the image orientation is from left to right it is inverted and you call it as lateral inversion or laterally inverted. We'll see what it is, what that term is in detail in the next slide. So what is attitude or what is orientation of the image formed? It's laterally inverted, that is left to right inverted. Now coming to the location, image distance is same as image object. Distance of the object. So the distance from the plane mirror to the object and the distance from the plane mirror to the image is the same. A very good example for this is you're standing in front of the plane mirror and you try to move backward. You can see that the image will also be moving backward inside the mirror, making the distance equal. Okay, so the location, the distance of both image and object remains the same from the mirror. Now, what type of image is formed? The image is formed on which side of the mirror? It's formed on the opposite side of the mirror. That is, it's formed inside the mirror. Those type of images are called virtual image. Okay, it's not formed in front of the mirror. It's formed in the inside of the mirror. Those type of images are called virtual images because it's not real. See here, there is a plane mirror and you're going to show a paper in which you have written physics. You'll be able to see the letters are inverted from left to right. Okay, and that left to right inversion of the image is called lateral inversion. When something is reflected in a plane mirror, left becomes right and right becomes left. This is called lateral inversion. Simple example, if you show your right hand, the image will be showing your left hand. It's left to right inversion. That's it. It's understood. Thank you.